Hey guys, welcome back to another video. And yes, you read the title correctly, it's another unboxing video. Today we're gonna be unboxing the Lucario Funko Pop. So let me just adjust things a bit. So yeah, here is the Funko Pop. I'm not sure if you see me from the back, but here is the side. So much dust. And here are the other pops. Kazam, Lucario, and Sylveon. The new wave of pops of Pokemon. I do have other Pokemon, but I will be unboxing them later on. So we're gonna be unboxing this Lucario. As you can see, I have a Lucario plush over here. And let's check it out. I'm trying not to dent the box in any shape or form. But this used to be the kind of way you open the Funko Pop box. I'm going for it. Yep, dents here already, damn it. So yeah. Here's Lucario with and hopefully got a good decent pop of Lucario. There were a bunch on the store, but yeah, I hope I picked the correct one. Oh, he doesn't stand properly. So anyways, this is his pose where he's gonna do some like Kamehameha, or he's doing the stop pose. All you can really do is just pose him like this. That's good enough. Here is his feet. Sadly, he doesn't have the beans. So wait, does he have the beans? Yeah, he does have the beans. It's the beans over there. He has the spikes over here on his chest and his hand over here. And he got these thingies, which Cynthia does have. And anyways, here's the pop itself. I'm gonna place it here. Peg. So yeah, here's the thumbnail shot. But anyways, thanks for watching this short and quick review, so you will be able to see if you really want to buy this Lucario Pop. But yeah, thanks for watching, and here's one last 360 view. Look at that. Okay, see you guys next time. Bye over here. It's been a long time since I've done this.